Do you know that some emoji in WhatsApp can be animated? Yeah, this makes it looks more fun. Before I show you how, do subscribe to this channel if you have not done so yet so that you can get more WhatsApp tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump to my phone and let me show you how you can turn on animation for emoji, stickers, and GIF on WhatsApp. Let's go. Okay, first of all, open up your WhatsApp app. Click on any chat that you want to. So I'm just going to show you how the animated emoji looks like. Okay, yeah, I find it very cute. Now you can see, right? The glasses emoji. You can see it blink a bit. Let me just go show you again. There you can see it blink a bit. So there's animation. Now to animate the emojis, only a few emojis can be animated. Basically, on top of the glasses emoji, you can see the two hearts, 100%, the another glass emoji, wink emoji, star emoji, and also the kissy emoji. Let's just show it to you again. Let's just add another emoji and just show you this. Alright, so you can see, right, there's kissy one. Yeah, only these few emojis can have the animation. So it's quite cute, quite interesting as well. To make your life a bit more fun. Let me show you where to enable it. Click on settings, click on chats, click on animation, and then you can see here, you can turn on emoji, stickers, or GIF. So it will move automatically. If you want to turn it off, you can turn it off. But I prefer turning it on because again, it looks fun. Alright, so that's how you can turn on animation to have it run automatically for emoji, stickers, and GIF. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more WhatsApp tips like this. Thank you so much for watching and I see you next time. Goodbye.